Today I'm gonna show you how you can do a scarf. This is gonna be a spring scarf since we're doing a relatively loose net pattern. For today I'm using my 9mm needle, so we're gonna get some fast results. As I said, this is relatively loose, so it shouldn't be too warm if you don't put it tightly around your neck during the day. So if it's early morning or late evening, then you can always do a double loop and that way have it a bit warmer. So I think it can really come in handy with spring weather. And here we are, Grundle Living in a nice pink. It actually matches my nail polish today, so yeah, I'm just noticing this now. Anyway, the color number is 2 for 8 to 9mm needles, 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide, so it should be pretty cool and not too warm. So perfect for the spring. As I mentioned, you can, since we're doing a loop scarf, you can always do it one time around your neck or 2 times. And yeah, we have 100 grams per 110 meters, and I will be using my 9mm needle. So let's start with an even number of chains. One, 2, 3. So we are doing 18 total. Here we are. Now leave the first 3 out, and that spot is going to be for our treble crochet. So this section we are skipping the 3 chains and we're going into the 4th chain from the back. One chain, leave 1 out and do another treble. And finish the row this way. This is the pattern, so let's finish the row now. So here is our first row. Now let's give it some length, 2 chains for the height. And here around these 2 trebles, or better said in between, again with trebles. Here we are. Two for the height, turn and repeat. Do not forget the chains in between the trebles. So now I will almost do my entire spool this way, so a bit less than the 110 meters that we have total. Here's just a little bit left over that we are going to use to make a loop out of this, but our length for now is 120 centimeters, So let me show you how I'm going to connect this. So take the beginning and end and align them nicely. Make sure there are no twists or knots when you do this. Here we go, through the holes and just connect. So little chain-like stitches is what we need, so follow my lead. So as you can see, it goes really quickly, and yeah, it's a really cool trick to know. So after we finish this, we have a little bit left over, I think so 40 or 50 centimeters total. But yeah, anyway, you can do this with pretty much any scarf. So if you want to have it just like a regular, you don't. And if you want a loop scarf, this is how you do it. A really cool trick to know. So just do these together in a knot, and then you can weave the threads in. So this is how you end. Here inside and outside, so this is visible, but when you wear it on the back of your neck, nobody will notice. So here is the whole scarf and the whole pattern, and feel free to let me know what you guys think. If you've maybe tried it out yourself, if it was difficult or how much time you needed. Yeah, also feel free to post any wishes you might have in the comment section. I'm always open to those. And apart from that, I just wanted to thank you for watching DIY Ideas. It's always a pleasure to have you guys here. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to the channel for free and always stay updated with everything new that we post, as well as everything older we already posted. You can access those videos for some extra inspiration. So thanks for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you guys had fun today, and I'll see you in our next project. Have a great day. Bye!